Everyone has to make a track in the time signature 5/4. Maybe today is the day we make something so incredible, so different, so unique. So basically just options project 5. Probably just start off with some chords. What the fuck? Let's take a listen to Valor. Let's take a listen to 7BM. Five to 4 emergency challenge. FL crashed like 5 times and then my laptop died. Made it though. Let's see. This one also sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound too weird with the rhythm. Let's listen to Svert.
I got that.
That's pretty dope, Svert. Let's take a listen to RTX.
Yeah, I give up. I'm done. That's it.
Do you use one of the cringe vocals?
Yeah, we can take it back.
I'm gonna save the project now, I think. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Subscribe if you liked it, and like it if you subscribe.